What's up guys? Welcome back to a craft a day with yours truly, Araceli Chan DIY. So the theme for this week's DIYs, grab your tea and let's get crafting. I made this little red truck last year with a twist. I actually turned it into a little train, but we're gonna repurpose it for this year. So you're gonna take 2 of these Dollar Tree trucks and you're just gonna paint them however you want. I'm also taking one of these crates and painting it. That's gonna be the bed of the truck. To create the roof and the hood of the truck, I'm using some Popsicle Sticks. I have a huge, like 500 pack of Popsicle Sticks from Amazon. It's linked in my description. And I'm just gonna cut them up to fit and glue them down. I bought this really cute sled last year from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to paint it up and I'm going to attach it to the back of the truck using some twine and then also adding some bells. I have this Valentine's Day gnome pick. I'm going to use it for Christmas. It's okay. And then I'm going to use a sock and some rocks. I'm going to put some rocks inside of the sock to weigh it down and then just fill it with some polyfill. And I'm creating a gnome. But you know what? Dollar Tree actually has a good sized gnomes kind of like this already made. So you could either buy that or make your own. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to a craft a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.